Everyone needs success in their lives, whether they are young or old, and you are no exception. Everyone has a different definition of success. While enrolled in school, a youngster embarks on his or her journey towards achievement. Children begin learning about love, cooperation, and other beneficial behaviors at home. All of these help a child gain personal development and success. If you develop a few positive habits, you can succeed in life on both a personal and professional level. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Here are 5 behaviors you should adopt in order to succeed. 1. Being yourself. The majority of us frequently insist on imitating a specific successful individual in life. You must have heard many of positive things about someone as a child. But you must always keep in mind that being your true self is necessary for success in life. Nobody can resemble someone else. Recognize the challenges they had to overcome in order to succeed. Use your own set of rules. It's not necessarily true that what worked for someone else will work for you as well. 2. Make bigger objectives. As a student, you should have a goal that goes above and beyond simply getting good grades. You can decide to aim to become one of the most successful businesspeople of your era. Therefore, in order to do that, you must get yourself ready to perform well on exams and acquire the qualities needed to succeed in business. In this manner, you will have plenty of time to adequately get ready to achieve your goal. 3. Attempt to be perfect. You will find success if you strive for perfection. So, until it becomes second nature, strive for excellence in all you do. People that are successful are flawless in whatever they do. Spending quality time with your family, taking long trips, and taking breaks are all recommended. You'll feel liberated and unburdened by lofty expectations as a result. By doing all of this, your relationships at home will also improve, and you'll feel much more appreciated and wanted. You will be revitalized and re-energized to start afresh when you spend quality time with your loved ones. 4. Effective time management. You must master time management techniques if you don't have enough time to complete a task. By creating a suitable timetable and adhering to it for a few days, you can achieve this. In addition, you should schedule enough time for rest and leisure activities. If you don't get enough rest and sleep, your brain will function significantly more slowly. Additionally, you won't have the energy to take on new challenges. Make a detailed plan for everything to reduce stress and boost productivity. Make sure you allot enough time for studying and that you stick to your schedules religiously. Actually, effective time management is a crucial quality of successful people. 5. Make a plan and maintain organization. Being never lazy is one of the most crucial qualities of successful people. Be proactive and create sound strategies for the future. Be organized and optimistic. Keep your attention on what you are learning and your preparation for the future. People who are successful always put in a lot of effort. They don't need anyone to motivate them. They are inspired by themselves. Be ready to overcome obstacles and adequately gear up for the long-term objective you have set for yourself. Therefore, you are now aware of successful people's habits. It's imperative that you adhere strictly to the behaviors we've just covered if you want to succeed in life. Like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to comment.